Welcome to Lamington National Park.
Yay! We made it!
Welcome back to this beautiful place called
Lamington National Park.
Lamington National Park.
We are at O'Reilly's section and we will be staying at O'Reilly's retreat after we finish our little hike. So we are doing Waterfalls, which is along the border track. We won't do the whole border track, but we will do part of it and see the falls.
Let's go! It was fully raining when we started.
I was reading about the Labana Falls and it says they look amazing after the rain. So I'm very excited to see.
Me too.
It should be just around 7 kilometers walk, so shouldn't take us longer than 2 hours. Probably like a bit less than 1 hour to get there and 1 hour back. We'll see how we go. Some of these trees around us are 300 million years old. Can you believe it?
In Australia being so far from the rest of the world pretty much has been able to keep all its nature mostly intact. And we can see it in like these trees that has been evolving for 200 million years.
Yeah, amazing. The walk has been good so far.
Yes, easy.
Yes, pretty straightforward. A bit muddy,
I love muddy.
but yeah, at the same time, not too hot. So it's been good. And it stopped raining, so we are just enjoying the rainforest and listening to birds. So nice. I think we are like halfway on the way there. And yeah, let's keep going.
So we arrived to Picnic Rock and it's truly beautiful. What is this place?
so beautiful.
You like it?
I love it. It's like sunny and rainy at the same time.
Wow. This is magical.
We made it.
El Habana Falls. It sounds like it's full of water. It's very loud. And the moment we've been waiting for.
So beautiful.
We made it to El Habana Falls.
Alabama Falls. I love this cascade.
Yes,
So nice.
it is so pretty. So much water. Should we try to walk that way to the top? Absolutely stunning. We just got in trouble a little bit getting to this stage. So the walk is super straightforward. Can't miss anything. Can't miss the road. But to get to this point, you have to climb it. And if it's been raining, it's gonna be slippery. But it's doable.
Us coming back from our adventure.
Completely wet and destroyed.
All soaked.
And we finished it off the Alabama Falls. How we go, baby?
It was a good adventure.
It was great. So pretty.
Nice and peaceful again.
And peaceful again.
after a short run.
Yeah, we were trying to run.
Yeah, it got like more muddy and obviously more slippery.
Yeah,
But walk there was beautiful and the waterfall was amazing.
the waterfall was full.
Like, and it was like all these cascades, not just like one waterfall.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Probably the most beautiful waterfall I've seen. I say it every time.
No more than Minions, but now we're going to check in.
Yeah, for our room and hopefully spa.
Yes. Well, this is the O'Reilly's retreat, and this is our room. Double bed. Mirror. Look at this beauty. You like it, baby?
Yes, it's turkey paradise here. So many of them. One was
A
just
little-
over there on the roof, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I like that you can go down like a little garden. And
I already started eating.
we almost finished.
I couldn't wait 1 second.
The mini plate is very little, but pizza looks good.
4 cheese pizza.
And some little fish with sweet potatoes. Nice.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, baby.
Free mountain water.
That's pretty cool.
So we just finished dinner here in the retreat bar restaurant. We'll see what's around. This is like the gift
Do
shop.
you want to have a look? There are some dead snakes.
Oh yeah. Brandy. Snakes. Oh, we saw this one today.
Spiny crayfish.
Spiny crayfish. So beautiful.
Just one.
What's happening here? What's happening with this plane?
It was actually like it landed here.
It landed here. I don't think this airplane landed here. This plane is the replica, and it says here, during a stormy afternoon, 19th of February 1937, Stinson airliner en route from Brisbane to Sydney crashed into the Macpherson Ranges, killing 4 people of the 7 on board. 7 days after the crash, Bernard O'Reilly, which is the original owner of
This land.
this land,
He went to the Lamington Park and he found the plane, and he also found 2 people who were still alive. We have a visitor. Hello there. And it's our second morning, and today second morning in O'Reilly, and today the weather looks much better than yesterday.
so for $40 in O'Reilly's retreat, you have buffet.
Yeah, if it's not included in your stay, it wasn't included because I booked the cheapest option. But yeah, the buffet is great. So many options. We
Natural orange juice,
coffee and
bacon,
lots of eggs and mushrooms and salmon and everything.
sausage.
So good. Bon appetit, baby.
Bon appetit.
O'Reilly family tree.
That is one big tree. They have 9 kids.
Oh wow. And this is a game room. So cozy. I love staying in these mountain lodges. It feels like they've been around forever and have so much history.
This one actually has.
So nice. Yeah, some photos, fireplace.
This is the treetop walk.
Treetop walk. How long is it?
I think it's like 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay.
Easy.
Let's see how we go.
After the walk that we did yesterday, this should be I walk in the park.
Oh, looks nice.
This bush turkey owns this forest. Just don't walk on me. Look at this other one.
I didn't notice that one. Maybe that he's hiding.
What's the purpose of life?
Come to the forest as much as possible.
Oh, treetop walk, one-way entrance.
Well, it is a strangler fig. Look into the hollow center of the fig. You can see the shape of the host tree before it died.
I think so.
Over 200 years ago, there was a healthy fig tree.
So this is how it looks when one tree takes over another one. Fully hollow. That's so cool. Those feels, baby. The stairs to the tree.
Okay. 30 meters above the ground.
Let's go. I think we're the only ones here.
Are you leaving the backpack here?
Yes.
Scary.
I know.
Okay, so we are at the top of the all the trees climbing session.
Yeah. So we are literally
No,
in the tree.
top of the tree.
On top of the tree.
That's cool. So cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, the view is probably better from the first
From the first stop.
floor.
But it's worth.
It's very bouncy. Oh my god. Well, that was fun. We just got the tray for $5 and the birds are already ready. Ready. They know what it means.
Yeah.
We didn't even reach the feeding area here. Oh, so cute. Oh, so nice. Oh my god. They're everywhere.
Get in there.
Well, they're not shy at all.
They're not shy.
That's the end of our trip.
Yeah, sadly.
A short one.
It was still beautiful.
Yeah, Riley didn't disappoint. It was nice.
Yeah.
We did a short walk this morning and a longer walk yesterday to the waterfall. We had a beautiful breakfast and we just had a nice swim.
In the infinity pool. Stop it.
Yeah, it was really good. Now driving back to the boat.
Yes.
See you next time.
Bye.